Hello everyone, I am Megha Mohan, Faculty of Management Department from Technion Institute of Advanced Studies is going to deliver a lecture on the concept of supply under GST. The Central Goods and Service Tax Act 2017 was notified by the government on 12th April 2017. State GST laws are also passed by these states on the similar lines. The government has worked overtime to bring the indirect tax reforms from 1st July 2017. Now let's talk about supply. Supply includes all the forms of supply of goods or services such as sale, transfer, barter, exchange, license, rent, lease, or disposal made or agreed to be made for a consideration by a person in the course or furtherance of its business. The concepts of composite and mixed supplies have been introduced in the model of GST law. Now, composite supply means a supply made by a taxable person to a recipient comprising two or more supplies of goods or services, or any combination thereof which are naturally bundled and supplied in the conjunction with each other in the ordinary course of business, one of which is a principal supply and other is the anticipatory supply. For example, where goods are packed and transported with insurance, the supply of goods, packaging material, transport and insurance is a composite supply, and in this, supply of goods become the principal supply. A composite supply comprises of two or more supplies, one of which shall be a principal supply. Now let's talk about mixed supplies. It means two or more individual supply of goods or service or any combination thereof made in conjunction with each other by a taxable person for a single price where supply does not constitute a composite supply. For example, a supply of packaging mainly during the festive seasons includes channel foods, sweets, chocolates, cake, dry fruits, aerated drinks and fruit juices. When supplied for a single price, it is known as mixed supply. Each of these items supplied separately and is not dependent upon any other. It shall not be a mixed supply if these items are supplied separately. A mixed supply comprises of two or more supplies and shall be treated as the supply of that particular supply which attracts the highest rate. I hope you understood today's lecture of the types of supply. Thank you very much.